Shot clock reads 7. Inside. Isaac go for 2.
We're with the champions of the PBA All-Star 3x3, Jesper Ayay, Isaac Go, and CJ Perez. Guys, welcome to The Score.
Thank you po.
Okay, so talagang yung chill energy nyo, talagang
Thank you,
chill
thank you,
talaga.
thank you.
Okay, but sige, okay. You know what? Isaac, let's start with you. Jesper and CJ, they've had chemistry because they've been playing together for the LPU back in the NCAA. Pero you guys, you were teammates for the 3x3. How did you guys build the chemistry?
We talked about it before the game, what we're gonna do. And when you play with these two great players, it's really easy to adjust. I've seen them play, I've played against them. And you know why they're in the PBA. And just being able to share the floor with them, playing with them, it's an honor.
Wow, honor daw. So, kamusta naman yung transition from 5-on-5 to 3x3, CJ?
Siyempre, mahirap siyang laruin kasi tuloy-tuloy lang. And yung timeout lang yung pahinga. And yung pag-sub lang. Pero, ayun nga, meron timeout nun. So, ayun, buti nga na-shoot niya yung last, yung winning shot niya. Alam mo naman, Isaac Go. Matik na yan. Matik na yan pag sa Ateneo. So,
Pero hindi nakita si CJ nagpahabol. Ilan na sunod-sunod? 4?
Tsamba pa.
4 na sunod.
Pero Jasper, how did you find a system that works for all three of you?
Sa akin, binigay ko lang yung best ko tapos sabi ko sayang yung punta ko dito eh. Kailangan ko manalo rin, kailangan ko rin ng
Panggas ba?
panggas.
Pero it was your first All-Star experience. Rookies kayo and Isaac, you're soon to enter the PBA scene. How was the experience like? Sige, Jasper.
Sa akin, masaya kasi nakakampi ko yung idol ko sa Ateneo eh. And honor na makakampi do. Iba to, grabe do.
Pero I know it was extra special for you, CJ, dahil probinsya mo yun. So, kamusta naman yung feeling of playing in your real home court?
Sobrang excited ko nun kasi yun nga. First time mo maglalaro doon sa amin eh. And
Kaya nga halos lahat, sinalihan mo eh.
kaya nga, yun nga yung
Talented na itong batang to ah.
Ako ata yung lahat sinalihan doon eh.
Sinulit yung biyahe, sinulit na yung biyahe.
Sulit na sulit yung biyahe. And
Football,
syempre
volleyball.
makasama mo yung mga kuya doon. Mga idols ko dati. So, parang ang sarap sa feeling kasi nakakakwentuhan mo sila. Nakakasama mo. Ayun.
And Isaac, you're the rookie in this three-person team. What were some of the lessons you've learned from Jesper and CJ?
First of all, it's the work ethic. I know that these two guys have put in a lot of hours in the gym to improve their craft, to see, and that's why they've made it to the PBA. They're holding their own. And that's really that big. And another thing would be also learning. I know that they're learning a lot from their coaches. They've adapted their games. They've improved since we played them in college. And it's just a learning process, and that's what you have to take from them because they're just starting their journey. I know that they'll have a great career ahead of them.
Wow, great career ahead of them. He's speaking praises with you guys. But he did say that you guys just got fresh out of the NCAA. How was it like na before teammates, ngayon magkalaban na kayo? And one I wanted to focus on was Coach Topex. He was your father figure. And now, they're one of the leading teams ngayon sa PBA. Jasper, especially ikaw alam ko talagang you really look to Coach Topex as your father.
Siguro, yung napipili ko yung kay Coach Topic, sobrang saya niya ngayon. Tapos ako, sobrang saya ko rin kasi parang CJ, tinutuloy ko ng kapatid yan. Nakikita mo yung kapatid mo, naglalaro na rin. Tapos nakakalaban mo pa sila sa isang court. Tapos naabot na yung mga pangarap niya, naabot ko na rin yung pangarap ko.
Ikaw naman, CJ.
Nung All-Star, di ba, kalaban naman si Coach Topex. Kinantsawan ko siya, hindi siya nanalo sa akin. Kaya,
Alam ko nakita mo sa
Diba?
post-game interview mo. Yeah.
yun. So, sabi ko, Coach, ready ka lang. Pero yun nga, si Coach Topex kasi madaming talaga siya natulong sa career ko. And kung sasabihin ko, walang CJ Perez if walang Coach Topex. Sobrang grateful na naging coach ko si Coach Topex. And ngayon, nakakalaban namin sila. And ang sarap sa feeling na minsan matatalo mo yung coach mo. Ayan.
Hindi natalo.
Pero kamusta naman yung naging transition from the NCAA to PBA, from playing student to pro? How has your life changed, Jasper? More hectic ba? More time to do your other passions in life?
ipon-ipon lang eh. Para sa kinabukasan eh, kailangan eh. Hindi, sobrang wala namang magbabago sa akin, para sa akin. Ganun pa rin. As in, wala talaga.
Even the atmosphere, the mindset, parehas pa rin?
Parehas pa rin. Yung, kung anong ginagawa ko sa college, yung work ethic ko, ganun pa rin. Tsaga-tsaga pa rin. Kasi hindi mo masasabi sa PBA. Yung buhay mo rin talaga doon.
Ikaw naman, CJ, agree ka ba or has things
Agree
changed?
ako dun. Pero mas iba yung yung sa teammates ka mag-a-adjust ka talaga kasi ayun nga may mga matatanda, may ka-age mo lang pero ayun nga yung chemistry ba parang naiba. Pero yun nga kailangan mong i-adjust yung sarili mo para mag-fit in dun sa system na ginagawa sa mga tao dun sa paligid mo. And ibang-iba kasi yung training sa PBA. And sa college kasi more on conditioning, madaming ginagawa. Pero, ayun nga, mental toughness yung kailangan dun sa PBA para ma-adjust mo talaga yung sarili mo. Yun.
Now, Isaac, like I said, you are the rookie out of these three so far. Were there things that you wish you did during your rookie year in Ateneo? Like, any regrets that you wish you did more?
Looking back, I have no regrets with the journey I've had. I know my first year came late because I had surgery. But looking back, I understood that it was a process. It's really rare you see a big man fresh out of high school ready to compete in the collegiate level. And it's really been a process. You see how, especially in Ateneo, during the 5-peat year, it was always a rotation where vets would come in, then they'll slowly bring out the rookie bigs, and eventually they take over. So I really have no regrets. I got to live my life as a regular college student for the first time, without basketball. And I still got to train. I still got to be part around the team, meet people, see the atmosphere, get myself ready. And I didn't really detach myself. So I got to, I would say I enjoyed my rookie year and I have no regrets with it.
Nung kalaban namin sila, hindi niya ako tinantanan eh. Siya na lang laging nasa harap ko. Sabi ko, iba naman bantayan mo, wag ako. Kasi kabisado niya ako eh. Kabisado ko din siya. So,